Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process on how to delete continue watching or remove continue watching from your Netflix account. Now, it's not exactly straightforward. You're going to want to do this either on desktop or mobile, going to netflix.com and logging in to your account. I'll link netflix.com's website right at the top of the video description. So first, log into your account and then click on your profile. And then in the upper right-hand corner, hover over your profile and go down and click where it says Account. And then scroll down towards the bottom of the page where you'll find your account and click on this little button here to open up the menu options. And then scroll down to where it says View Activity and click View. And then click on this little cancel button that's next to whatever you want to remove from your viewing history. So let's just say it's The Office for me. That's a show that I have on my viewing list, continue watching page. So we'll get rid of these and click where it says hide series. And then it should take care of all of the different viewing that you had for that particular show or movie in the past. And within 24 hours, it should remove it from your account's continue watching page. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, not extremely straightforward because you're going to have to do this through the netflix.com website, whether you're on desktop or mobile. But once you get into your account, you should be able to access your viewing history and activity. And at that point, you should be able to get rid of whatever series or movie that you'd like to hide from your account. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.